In this video, we will show you how to sign into your Netflix account on your smart TV. First, you want to open the Netflix app on your TV. If you don't have the app, you might want to download it from your TV app store. Select the sign in option. You have two ways to sign in on your smart TV. The first option is using your phone, and the second option is using your TV remote. We will show you both methods. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. The first method is using your phone. Pick up your phone and open the camera. Then point the camera at the QR code on the screen. A little link should pop up on your screen. Tap the link. It will bring you to the Netflix website on your phone browser. Or if you have the Netflix app installed on your phone, it will take you to the app. Confirm the code is the same, and then click on Continue. Or sign into TV if you are on the app. And just like that, you will be signed in on your TV. The second option is using the remote. Select Use Remote. Here you want to enter your email address by navigating the letters using your remote. Then select Next. Now you have two options. Send sign-in link will send a link to your email. When you click on that link, your TV will automatically be logged in. I will go with Use Password instead. This way, we can enter our password. Then, click on Next, and that will sign you into your Netflix account. For more videos, like and share.